even when the flood destroyed everything on earth.
And, konti na lang.
And
basa.
The wind still
came
pouring. God stood by
his, hindi mo nabasa his
promise to Noah and kept him safe. God will give this promise to you and keep you safe too.